Did it to me again. Why is this doing this to me? You guys hear me?
We're in a big warehouse move at my company, but here's a club. I brought them to the house.
I have no idea why my phone is not letting me go horizontal right now. I set the live for horizontal. This is crazy, dude.
Over the clubs. I'll put that on there when I ship it out. And
I have no idea why my phone is not letting me go horizontal right now. I set the live for horizontal. What's going on, everybody? Can you see me all right?
There's a putter in here. That putter.
Everybody see me all right?
Tell you what, though, I have an old putter that did me absolutely.
What's going on? Hey, before you guys come in here, if you're already in here, go check out that shout out I just did for Moyak Scorpion Woodworks. Richard, he's such an amazing human being. We have so many amazing people that come into our live, into this live and support 77 Rockets and the whole Bearded Viking family. Just an amazing community. So if you can, I put the link in there. I'll hang out for a minute and go check out the video. Go click on the link and watch that video. I really, God, Rich is, there's so many amazing people. Rich is one of them. Shout out to you, brother. Love you, man. So if you can, go click that link, go check out that video, and I'll be hanging out here, just hanging out, But hello to the 4 that are in here. Hello to Kat, Amy Jo, Roy, and Mr. Josh. What's going down? We're just hanging out today. I'm pretty tired today. I worked early today. It was a good day. And then I got to hang out with my wife and my daughter. We even had pizza and some beer. What's up, Jay? What's going down, brother? Hey, Jay, go check out that video. Gotta show Richard Moyak some love, man. Amazing dude. And thanks, Jay, for the shout out on Facebook for sharing the stickers. I got your stickers up right here, brother. On Patreon for the 77 Rockets Woodworking YouTube channel. I appreciate everything you do. Anybody else want to do a sticker swap? Anybody got some stickers? Anybody who knows Rich knows how such a genuine. There's the man. There's Richard. Bro just saw the video. Man, not even know what to say. That was very cool and much appreciated, sir. Hope you are having an awesome day. I hope you're having a good day too. Did you hit up the golf course yet, Rich? Rich and I were talking, we're texting earlier, and he sent me this video earlier today of Rich. For all of you who don't know and do know how giving Rich a person is, Rich is just one of the most genuine people I've ever met in my life. Everybody that goes on Daniel's lives knows how genuine he is. I mean, Rich has probably given out probably 2,000. My phone went blank. Rich has probably given out 2,000. What happened? That's weird. Rich has probably given out 2,000 Bearded Viking memberships, which is crazy. And I won't spoil the video, but Rich, man, he's one of my Patreon members. Man, my phone keeps shutting off the video. Hold on. Can you guys still see me?